Over 80% of your videos are not getting any kind of love because you are not adding captions. And in this video, I'll show you how to add automatic captions for free using a free tool that works for both iOS and Android. Let me show you exactly why and how you can add them. So, boom, you start CapCut, you start a new project, you add your previously recorded video, and now you go to text, select your languages in this, and that's it. You select your language, automatic captions, you select them in bulk, you edit them because you can change the style in bulk like this. Boom, and that's it. You can add effects, stickers, and so much more, but that's all you need to do to create content. Follow for more.